Hello, and welcome to another video tutorial from Oklahoma City University's Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can share a Microsoft Stream video recording for your D2L University-owned course. Why would you need to share this? If you have been contracted by the university to create a university-owned course, you will need to send any recorded video lectures in Microsoft Stream to the Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning. The staff within CETL will embed that video recording into the permanently university-owned course ourselves. If you have recorded a video lecture that you would like to use in your faculty-owned course, that is a completely different process, which you can consult the other video tutorial on how to embed a faculty-owned video recording in that faculty-owned course. Again, this tutorial is only for sharing a recorded lecture for a university-owned course with the team in CETL. First thing you'll want to do is open up a web browser and navigate to stream.office.com. Locate the recording that you would like to share. So in my case here, I am going to do this one right here. I'm going to right click on the video title and place your cursor over the share and then click on email. You'll see a little pop-up window opens up. Within this new pop-up dialog window, click the gear icon or the sharing settings. Under the share link with, select the option that says people you choose. Then under more settings, make sure the drop-down says can edit. If it says can view, click the drop-down arrow and change it to can edit. Make sure that the block download is turned off. This is the option that we want right now. Click the blue apply button. Then in the add a name, group, or email field, type in D2L help at okcu.edu. When this pops up, click D2L help group. There we go. And then if you would like to add a message by typing in the message box. Once you have typed in your message, click send. And it will give you a message that says link shared with the people you specified that can edit. And that's it. If you have any other further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us here in the Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning. Thank you.